I listened to music at an early stage in my life. And first it was dancing, other ways was like producing music. But ultimately I was deeply into the whole idea of if you show someone what's kind of like inside your mind, what you're thinking, overlap a song that you really like, I guess that can really show a lot more than you trying to explain what's like going inside your head. So that's usually been the main reason which why I picked up visuals.
Young rapper that's sounding extra lame. Put you in your place, call that real estate. Rapping South Korea, that's where we fucking be. Fuck. I've been dreaming perfect, all my shit be fuming. Touring cities in the future, call that metro booming. Sticky got me? 너랑 네 친구들 꿈을 나는 다 알아. 여자 가슴 한번 만져보게. 아무것도 안 하면서 부럽다고 싫어하는 fuckboy들이랑은 I don't fuck with.
Hey, yo, hold up. Bring that beat back real quick, man.
So let me groove with you, girl, right after this movie shoot. Let's down a glass of wine or two. 그런 다음에는 시킬 거야 주위 buzz. 또 입술은 소주버그 튤립을 피가서 we so good so we know. 시끄러운 movie, ooh, 나나서 ooh, baby, ooh, I'ma get you well. Squash some up. Don't believe me, just watch me at the show. Don't believe me, just watch me at the movie show. Don't believe me, just.
What are y'all doing? Are y'all working on some shit?
No, we're just chilling.
Vibing out?
Yeah. I mean, we all kind of just got here too.
DPR, we gang. Rap it every day, I ain't feeling them fakes. They don't entertain, DPR, we gang. 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 DPR, we